Hi, welcome to today's 2020 Vision Hack Show, and today is the first of the 10 Meet the Team shows. AD-Link and Intel launched the 2020 Vision Hack in December 2020 to find innovative solutions to industrial problems using computer vision as a sensor. So we went out there and we've received a phenomenal response of 115 submissions, which the 6 judges from Intel and AD-Link brought it down to the Phase 1 winning 10 teams. Today, I'm really pleased to introduce the Outback Fibers. Hi guys, how are you doing?
Yes, hi Paul, we're doing good.
Good. Hey, so thanks very much for your submission. We're really excited by it. It's a really innovative idea. So let's start off by introducing yourselves. So, yes, I'll just knock you off mute there. Why is that not coming up? Srimanth, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes. Hi Paul, this is Sriman Sista, and I'm from India. So me, Ashwath, Ram Pratap were 3 friends. We are studying in the same college. So we just completed our graduation from the Department of Electronics and Communications. So we 3 been good friends in our university. Now we participate in this hackathon together as a team named Outback Vipers. So looking ahead to be practical and working upon the idea that we have proposed.
Brilliant,
That's
brilliant.
it. Thank you.
Yaswant, I think you've got yourself on mute there. If you'd like to take yourself off, so you can join the conversation.
Hi, Paul.
Hey, Yaswant, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi, Paul. So myself, Ashwath, and I am from India. So presently, I work for Tata Consultancy Services, and I work in the natural language processing domain. So for this particular hack, we have proposed the idea of efficient package placement system. So looking forward to implement this hack in the Vijay kit that you will be sending us.
Yeah, we're really looking forward to seeing it. And Ram Pratap, how would you? Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Ram Pratap. I am from India, Varanasi. I have completed my BTech in same college as these both of my friends, Gayatri Vidya Parishad, and I am also joining the TCS right now. I have worked on image processing projects before, like face recognition and sort of things. So, as Yashwant told us about this hackathon, I was interested in machine vision. So I have showed interest in joining this team. Yeah.
Brilliant. Hey, really glad to have you all on here. Yaswant, would you like to talk through your project that you put together, the proof of concept, and what it does?
So I'll be answering this question. So the main concept of this project is an efficient package placement system. So this will be used in the distribution space. So you know that in the distribution space, so there will be a lot of package movement from one place to another. So the idea we propose, what it does is it will scan the packages and it will propose an efficient placement algorithm that can be utilized by all the distribution industries. So what this idea helps solves the problem is the package placement. Yeah, I think that is all.
Brilliant. So how did you guys come across the hack? How did you find it?
Yes, I'll be telling this answer. So Ashwant is a good participant in Hacker. So he'll be always telling about the recent hackathons or any competitions that he went through or he gone through. So he proposed that okay, we'll do this thing like AD-Link hackathon that we got 20 by 20. So he proposed us to do that. So we are on and we are helping him. So he's our main lead and we're doing along with him, working with him.
Brilliant. And I'm sure the $10,000 and the opportunity to go to market with AD-Link and Intel is a good carrot to want to submit as well.
Yes.
So you mentioned about the course that you guys have met on and all being part of with machine vision and computer vision, which is fantastic to see. Do you see India really investing in seeing this as technology to adopt?
Yeah. So earlier, so why people didn't adopt machine vision is due to the lack of computational powers, and doing machine vision at the edge is a very difficult task in the earlier days. I mean, in the previous 5 to 10 years, you can take. So now, uh, you know that the ICs are we have more and more transistors going into the ICs, so which is we are getting powerful chips out there. So I think it is better to people to invest in the machine vision actually, because it can replace most of the sensors that are presently used in the industries. For example, you can take the distance sensor or the distance sensors which are normally used by electronic guys. So those can also be replaced by the machine vision.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think it is best thing.
yeah, totally agree. So, what challenges have you experienced when you've been learning and adopting this type of technology? What challenges have you seen, and where do you go to find the answers to those?
Yeah, first of all is that we have to choose the approach, which approach we have. When we go to the problem, we get to multiple approaches. So there in for current problem, like do we have to go to first approach like distance and distance measuring, or so in that we have to choose the approach. That is the one of the major task. And then after that building a model over it and training a model, and then testing its performance is the second challenge
Yeah,
that we face in building this thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just to add a point, Paul. So we'll be looking in the Stack Overflow community for our doubts, and also we'll be
yeah,
going through the Go to 50 AI community, so that
hmm
you have posted. Yeah, I think
yeah,
both of these things will help us to go forward.
yeah, for sure. I mean, they're
Yes.
both great places. Go to 50 80 Link made the investment to build out that community to exactly help people like yourselves for us to support you, but also for you to support each other as well as this technology advances and accelerates over the time.
Yeah.
Um, so, um, uh, so, what experience do you have with OpenVu, or have you been or have you been using other inferencing tools?
So yeah, so earlier we have used some pre-trained models from Hugging Face and all those transformer things, but we have heard about OpenVu, but we didn't use it. But for the neural compute stick challenge, that is the first time I used OpenVu toolkit. So
Okay.
so I was amazed, pretty much amazed by the number of models they contained. I
Yeah.
mean, it contained around 40 pre-trained models and
hmm
also some 40 Intel models. I mean, that are trained by the Intel
Yeah.
uh, corporation separately, and also the models who think. I mean, it is easier to deploy them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Hey guys, I appreciate it's really late for you and sort of nearly the end of day for me. But thanks very much. It's been fantastic to meet you. As you know, we're supporting you on the Slack channel that we have for yourself and the 9 other teams, and really look forward to seeing your proof of concept coming through, your prototype coming through over the next 7 weeks. Guys, thanks very much for your time. Really appreciate it.
Yes,
We will
yes.
be
Thank you, Paul.
we will be meeting another team
Thank
tomorrow
you.
night, 5 p.m. UK time. So please do join us on the LinkedIn, YouTube, or Facebook channel, whichever one you're on to now. Thanks very much. Thanks, guys. Goodbye.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Paul. Good
thank you,
night.
Paul.
Thank you.